This video guide will provide you with help to get rid of the browser notifications related to the website ntgdfc.com. ntgdfc.com is a dangerous website that may suddenly start attacking your browser. The website tries to make people click on the special Allow button integrated into it. To click on the Allow button is definitely a serious mistake, because in this case the browser will be hijacked and infected. People may start receiving the great portion of numerous ads that will be displayed in the right part of the computer screen. So please do not ever click on that Allow button. That's a mistake that may lead to a lot of troubles. If the Allow button is clicked, you may be brought to some other filthy websites, and also you may start receiving other ads that will be attacking your screen randomly. To fix your browser, access the menu, go to Settings, choose Security and Privacy, click on Site Settings, go to Permissions, select Notifications, and pay attention to the websites allowed to send notifications. If you find this ntgdfc.com, of course you should remove this malicious site from the list. I would also recommend you to research the system additionally with Combo Cleaner antivirus. You may go to the website combocleaner.com, download the software, and start investigating your system with its help in order to detect and delete all other threats that could remain on your computer. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner antivirus, it will be initially in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will begin researching your system and will give you the summary of threats at the end of scan. First of all, the program will help you to analyze some browser-related issues, but it also can help you to detect more serious threats like malware, ransomware that currently circulate all over the world. Combo Cleaner Premium version has got the excellent anti-ransomware tool that allows you to add one or several folders on your computer that will be properly protected against all kinds of ransomware attacks. So, as I said, at the end of scan, the program will give you the summary of all threats. You'll be able to know their exact location on the system. So you may remove these threats manually or consider upgrading to the premium license of the program in order to delete all these threats automatically and have your system protected against all further malware attacks.